this is Simple Solution 55, answers. Number 1, we are looking for the length of this rectangle. This is the information they give you. So I would plug in the information that you already know. L and L you do not know yet. So you know that what you have is 6 millimeters. So 20 minus 6 will give you what the total length is. So that is going to be 14. So because you have 2 lengths, you have to divide this by 2. 14 divided by 2 is going to be 7 millimeters. Now you could go ahead and, if you want to double check your answer, add 7 plus 7 plus 3 and see if you get 20. And you should. Alright, the next question is number 2. This one is distributive property. You don't necessarily have to do distributive property. You can do whatever strategy you want. You can do partial quotients. You can do standard algorithm. Whichever one that you want. As long as it gets you the answer. Right, so we're going to have here 22,980 as an answer, as a product. And your first mystery letter is C. Make sure you yourself a check for that. All right, number 3, if you have 1,000 milliliters, 1 liter, 2,000 milliliters will be 2 liters. That is liquid. All right, number 4, 8 can't go into 500, so you have to do 560, which is going to be 80 times. And that gives you a remainder of 0, so 80 is the quotient. Another mystery letter, O. All right, number 5 is matrix model, which is only known as the area model. Again, remember, you can flip these. They don't have to be in the same spot. So this one's 1,500. 30 times 2 is 60. 5 times 50 is 250. And 5 times 2 is 10. You can add across or add all together, whichever one you prefer to do, for the product of 1,820. All right, number 6, we are looking for the difference. It's 2,187. Another mystery letter here, and that is A. That is an A. Oh. If you can't read that, sorry. All right, number 7. You have to round this to the nearest 10,000. That 4 tells you nothing changes. Everything after becomes a 0. 33,000. Another mystery letter, R. All right, number 8, you have to do the factors of 49. Remember, factors are 2 numbers that give you 49. So 1 and 49, 7 and 7. So 49 has 3 factors, 1, 7, and 49. All right, number 9, you have to find the measurement of this. You can actually do this 2 different ways. The one I find the easiest, actually I find them both pretty easy. If you look here at 90, this actually lands at 60. So if you do 90 minus 60 in your head, that's going to be 30. This one is 90. Over here is 30. Well, 90 minus 30 is 60. So if you add those 2 up, you get a 90-degree angle. And this is angle OPQ. OPQ. All right, number 10, we're talking about fish here. The only equation that worked was letter B, where the little boy caught 2 fish. All right, we're going to add. I forgot the mystery letter. Give me just a second. 14,818 is the sum. Your mystery letter is the letter F. All right, 12 is that angle most draw an obtuse angle, label it DEF. Sorry, I forgot the question. So any obtuse angle, remember an obtuse angle is greater than 90. And I want you to label it DEF, where E has to be the middle because it's the middle letter at the top. Mystery letter T. T. All right. 13 was draw a circle and draw in 4 lines of symmetry. Now, lines of symmetry are where you draw a line down something and it's the same thing on both sides. Now, a circle pretty much has endless lines of symmetry. You can do this so many ways. It's crazy. All right, so mystery letter here is the letter I. All right, 14, find the connection. What is your numerator's connection? And it should be times 2. What you do up here, you have to multiply by the same number in the denominator, which is going to be 4/12. All right, 15, write using words. So 2,000, comma, 400, and this is 12. And one more mystery word, N. N. All right, so take all your letters and see what word you can unscramble.